All right, Trevin, what's your website tip of the week?
So this week we're actually going to talk about the best way to utilize your hero section on your homepage. There's a couple of reasons on why this is so important. To me, the most important reasons is going to be, number one, when a consumer lands on your website, this is going to be the first place that they land. And number two, this is also the first place that you get a chance to tell your story as fast as possible and as visually as possible. So we'll drop an example here on the screen so that you guys can see a hero section we've actually built for one of our clients, and so that you guys can see everything that we make sure to include in the hero section. So this is one of our clients, Beehive Blends. What we did when we built this hero section, and what we do for every hero section, is we start with the Nav Bar. Now the Nav Bar is going to include things like your logo and your navigation to key pages on your website. The logo is going to help them understand exactly where they are and whose story they're listening to, and the navigation is going to help them make decisions on where to go on the website based off of the content that they are seeing. Okay, so once you have that in there, we want to make sure that this is as visual as possible. That's going to be the key point to telling your story. Other than the words you put on your hero section, the visual content that you put on there is super important. What we like to do typically is actually put a video background for a lot of our clients, but if you're not able to use a video background, a high quality background image is always going to do very well for you as well. Once you have your visual content in there, it's time to start putting in the information so they know who they're talking to, where they're from, and how to take action. So as you can tell here, what we did is we let them know that they're on a page for Beehive Blends, and what Beehive Blends does is they provide you with locally harvested whole plant CBD. Okay, and these guys are from Salt Lake City, Utah. You answer a lot of those questions in this hero section. With the background image also showing the products in the background, it just makes sense. Now, let's say somebody was looking for CBD, they land on this website and they know that this is locally harvested whole plant CBD, and they see the products in the back. It's not going to be that hard for them to click the Shop Now button, and now they're already going through the shopping experience. So that's why the hero section is so important, is this is going to be one of the first things that you're going to be able to use on your website to try to convert people that come to that website. It's also going to be one of the things that leaves an image in their brain while they're scrolling through the rest of the website to make a decision. So I hope that that makes sense, guys. This is the best way to use your hero section, and I hope that this is how you guys build them moving forward. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out wherever you saw this video, whether it be Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, but also visit 253media.com/video-tips to be able to view these on our own platform as well. We look forward to hearing from you guys, and let's have a good week.